Allison.
Good evening, Linda. It is called 2CE or Europa. It is sold as a powder, a pill, or a gel, and then it is either eaten or snorted. And though it is perfectly legal right now, it is sending people to the hospitals with severe reactions, many of them teenagers. A simple internet search for 2CE returns a laundry list of results. Most sellers claim it's a research chemical or plant food.
Probably the most important words that I could say to somebody is buyer beware. You don't necessarily know what you're getting.
But clinical pharmacist Bruce Strell says people think they're getting a cheap high, often sold in a powder form like this. 2CE or Europa is the latest in legal synthetic drugs to send young adults to hospitals.
It's a very powerful psychoactive drug that gives people hallucinations.
The LSD-like drug also causes trouble breathing, muscle decomposition, even seizures. And because it can take an hour and a half to get high, the potential for overdose looms large.
So people might take 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 times before they get the effect of the first one.
Florida's poison control took notice when a 19-year-old died in Minnesota after taking 2CE back in March. Now that Florida's begun tracking 2CE cases requiring medical attention, they found a handful, one of the worst with severe seizures right here in Pinellas County. Even if the high comes with a warning.
Comes with a label not for human consumption, and people are using it.
And you believe they're intended to be used for human consumption?
I believe that's what they're doing with it on purpose, yes.
And while it's a controlled substance in some European countries and Japan, there's no rule regulating it here. Until there is, more medical cases are likely. The youngest so far, just 15 years old. What's really in this drug is still sort of a mystery. Forensic labs have identified 27 different drug items they say fall under the label 2CE. Back to you.